Well, the saga continues of dump trucks breaking, but this time it's, you read that correct, the Western Star tandem. There's an air leak in the cab of the tandem, as well as apparently last week Andrew was driving down the road. I say apparently, but I mean, I do believe him. He's driving down the road, and I guess all of a sudden he felt like the rear end just went like clunk, clunk, and it kept doing that throughout the day. We're gonna take it for a tour up to the mechanic shop. Maybe it'll do it, but the air leak in the cab I'll be able to show you guys. Okay, so I got a lot of things running in here right now. I'm gonna turn off everything and you'll be able to hear the inside of the cab. The air leak in the cab's not a huge issue at all. It's just been frustrating because we've been trying to get it fixed for so long. It's coming from underneath here. What we were told it is the tailgate latch, or not tailgate, maybe it's the tarp. Yeah, because whenever you have the tarp back, it stops. So it's just one of the little valves underneath that need to be replaced, so it's not a big deal. But this whole driving around thing and clunking, we're gonna go see if we can see that right now. All right. Circle check, everything's done. Okay, well, we're driving down the highway here, and I mean, I can't see anything out of the ordinary. Everything seems good, it's driving good. Weird. Got all my stuff here set right. No shakes, no wobbles, no stops. So yeah, I don't know. I gotta say, I love this truck. This is the first brand new dump truck that we ever bought back in 2013. But it actually has the same size motor that's in our brand new tri-axle, but this is a tandem. I can keep up to pickup trucks. Like when I'm fully loaded going through the gears, this thing just hauls ass. But we're almost at the mechanics here. We're gonna get off at this turn. We'll get him to look over the fluids. He said they might be low in the rear end. So just another day in the life of construction business owner when your overhead is super high and your repair bills just don't stop. We just dropped off this shop, and now it's time to pick up this. You're probably wondering, why was your Duramax work truck at the shop too? Nothing was wrong with it, thank God, but we had to get it safety for its annual safety. I don't know, is that something that everyone else has to do wherever you guys are? I'm assuming so. Everyone has to get a commercial safety. Down here on a new home project. Nice big house, beautiful view. Bunch of fill to come in here. Al's over there backfilling around the house. I'm hopping in the backhoe right now and we're gonna take it down back to Carp, and then I'm gonna go paint the bucket this afternoon. And you guys voted, it's going pink. I'll explain once I get back to the yard what we're doing, but I'm doing something really cool because it is going pink. But first things first, let's go for a tour. Cue time lapse now. Loading up the trailer.
What are you doing here? You're putting me on the YouTube app.
You forget to latch the hitch, bud?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, we're getting the loader and we'll put her down.
Yeah, back truck up. Johnny. Good. I got her, bud.
with all the snow that we got yesterday, I'm headed up right now to do something that all the YouTube comments have said in the winter time. If you guys know, winter plowing is a big part of this channel. Although we don't have massive commercial contracts and massive snow contracts, plowing is something that you guys love to watch. And over the years, we've gotten tons of comments, people saying, get a plow for your truck, you should buy a salter, you should do this. Well, I got the notion today to make a few calls, and we're actually headed up right now to a place called R&M Auto. Exciting stuff. See, I pay attention. You guys make suggestions. Sometimes they're really good suggestions. Okay, we are doing the backhoe bucket. I have a few more sections to grind on it. As you guys can see, I've gone along, I've grinded off everything. Like this is, like right here is where I have to finish. So you can see that's what it looked like, and that's what I took it down to. I'll show you guys the paint that I got. So it's bare paint, it's made for metal. This is the primer, and then that is the color we're going with. You guys are gonna see the color, but this is the only stuff, believe me. I tried Amazon, eBay, Home Depot, Home Hardware, Canadian Tire. I tried every single retail store that sold paint, and nobody had this kind of paint that I needed. So the only stuff that we could find was a little more expensive, but here's where the video is gonna get interesting, and here where this actually gets really cool. Although you guys love messing with me and made me paint my plow bucket pink, I'm taking that as a positive. I'm actually pumped for it to be pink, but we're gonna be doing something awesome. All the money generated, all the revenue generated, all merch that is sold for the entire month of November, I'm gonna take that number and I'm gonna write a check to breast cancer awareness. I'm gonna be choosing a foundation from locally here in Ottawa, but I thought that it was something really cool to do. I have the names being printed out right now. Our person who's actually doing a sign for us for something really cool tomorrow that you guys are gonna see. Those are all being printed, but I just wanted to do something cool. A little bit of a give back because it is going breast cancer pink. This is the primer. I shook it up a little bit, but man, it is super white. All right, let's paint this son of a bitch. First, we gotta blow it off. Now, I'm not really known to be the best painter, and I always end up with it all on me. Okay, so this is where we ended up getting to. This paint color turned out awesome. I'm super happy with how it looks. I want you guys to let me know what you guys think. The completion of this bucket will be in the following video, which is gonna be out on Tuesday, but right after this clip tomorrow morning, you guys are gonna see we're doing something pretty special for a close friend of mine that isn't doing too well. He got diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. So we're doing something special for him, and you guys are gonna love to see that. All right, and I promised you guys I would tell you that we were doing something cool and special. This as well will be on the following Tuesday's video, but check out what we did here. So as I said yesterday, my close friend is going through, and his nickname's Crazy, and he prefers to be called Crazy rather than his original name. So that's what we call him. We're just giving the truck a quick shine up here, just a really, really rough shine up. As you can see, we got the rims here, and then that's kind of what they looked like before. But we're using this stuff here. That's helping, giving a hand. We got a nice decal for it. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching yet another video, sending you guys off into the weekend. Hopefully you guys have an awesome weekend. Take care, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watch these videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, go crazy, go. Why are you commenting down below, go crazy, go? Well, out of respect for my friend that's going through a little bit of a tough time right now, I want you guys to comment down below, go crazy, go. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.